What if I told you Google just launched an AI tool so powerful it can create full-blown cinematic videos in seconds?
No way! I'm actually playing GTA 6 before it is even out! This is insane.
Veo-3 is here. And it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new era for AI video. Think realistic talking characters, dramatic lighting, even dynamic camera movements that feel like they came straight out of a movie. And it gets crazier. You can feed it an image and a text prompt and boom, it generates an entire scene around your idea.
All right, let's blow your mind. Mega zoom out now.
But that's just half the story. Google's also unveiled Flow, a $250 a month creative control center. It fuses video, audio, and visual tools into one sleek workspace. You can fine-tune every frame, remix sound design, and even animate scenes with a few clicks. It's like having a Hollywood studio in your browser. Now sure, it's not perfect. Some scenes still look off, especially when characters interact or things get too action-heavy. But when it works, it's mind-blowing. People are already remixing movies, crafting music videos, even building entire YouTube channels off this. So here's the real question. If AI can now direct, edit, and produce, what's left for us?